Hey guys, we received this Xuntui 2-pack strap wrench set for test and try. So 4 inches and 6 inches heavy duty reinforced rubber belts with a high strength PA66 handles. So they are basically the can or the jar opener with the wrench style design. So you can also open a oil filter, or this is a oil filter wrench as well, with a 8 bonus silicone ties. So here I will just open this. So this is a silicone ties, so we can just take it out. So these are two pieces set. So one is the 4 inches with the diameter, another is the 6 inches diameter. So small size is good, like with the length of 17.7 inches, with the big one is around 24 inches. So these are the extra ties that comes with it with the different colors. So the width of the large 6-inch one is 3 quarters and thickness is zero point 0.2 inches, where the small one is around 0.47 inches in the width and thickness is 0.118. So this is adjustable wrench, and these are the really nice silicone ties for doing that. So here you can easily adjust the things with this rubber wrench. So if you want to open a jar, say like you just arrange the rubber belt around it and just open this up. Same thing with any other one, you can just wrap it around, adjust the length, and then just open this up. It's pretty nice and very straightforward opening and comfortable, and you can reuse it multiple times with anywhere you want to use. And you can also use it the big one for the oil filter change or any other big stuff, and they are pretty good to do. So nice overall, the nice jar opener, or I will say any oil filter wrench or anything for the use.